Unbox and set up the HP Envy Photo 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series with a Mac, iOS, or Android device. Step 1. Unpack the printer. First, open the box. Remove the printer documentation, power cord, ink cartridges, and the cardboard insert. Set the box on its side to remove the printer. Use the handle to remove the printer from the box. Remove the protective end caps. Remove the plastic from the printer. Remove all tape and packing material from the outside of the printer. Lift the scanner lid and remove the foam sheet from the scanner glass. Lower the lid. Lift the tape and open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door. Remove the packing material from the print area. Lower the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Remove the tape from the main tray. Open the main tray. Remove all packing material from the paper tray. Close the main tray. Step 2. Power on the printer. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. If the printer does not turn on automatically, press the power button. On the printer control panel, select your preferred language and then select Confirm. Then, select your country or region. Step 3. Add the printer to the HP app. Scan the QR code on the printer control panel to get the HP app. You can also get it for free from your app store or by going to hp.com/start/install. From the app home screen, select the plus sign and then select the option to add a new printer. The app searches for all available printers. When you see your printer, select either the Setup or Add Printer option, depending on your device. The app begins the process of connecting the printer to the network. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. On the printer control panel, select Allow to confirm proximity to the printer. Select the option to continue. Depending on your printer model, you might receive a prompt to sign up for HP Instant Ink, an ink delivery service that automatically sends you new ink when your printer runs low. After you complete the network-related prompts, the HP app guides you through how to install ink, load paper, and align the print heads. Step 4. Install the ink cartridges. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door and then wait until the carriage is idle and silent. Remove the new cartridges from the packaging. Hold each cartridge by its sides and then pull the tab to remove the protective tape. Caution! Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Touching these areas can result in an ink system failure. Slide the ink cartridges into their slots until they snap into place. Lower the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Step 5. Load paper. Open the main tray. Push back the photo tray. Slide the paper width guides to the edges of the main tray. Load a stack of plain paper into the main tray with the print side facing down. Align the stack of paper with the paper size lines and make sure the stack doesn't exceed the stack height marking in the tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the stack of paper. Close the main tray. Pull out the output tray and then raise the tray extension. The HP app then prompts you to align the print heads. Select the option to align them to complete printer setup. After completing all prompts in the HP app, the app returns to the home screen. You are now ready to print.